Welcome back, guys. It's Todd from Greenpointe. In today's video I wanted to show you how to cut what we call a finisher on a floor. So you're laying your floor this direction, the tongues are sticking out this way, you've got tongues here, tongues here. When you get down to the wall and you need to cut this board, I've seen people take tape measures and bump them into it, but here's a really fast, easy way. So you need this groove to go over top of the tongue right here. So you take your finisher, turn it around, butt it into the wall, make a mark right there, and then cut it. And when you come back, so went to the saw, mark the board, and bam, fits perfect. You've got the groove on this end, so it just slips right over. Tap it in, and you're done. That's it, folks. A really simple, easy way to mark finishers on your floor. Greenpointe, just wanting to make your job a little easier. If you like the video, make sure you follow us and click like just below. Thanks so much for watching.